Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. As you know, the Toyota Sienna, it's the newest family vehicle that we got right now. That's the newest project we've been working on, and we got the roof rail rack for it. So stay with us, guys. We'll show you what we received today. It's actually an aftermarket one, but it's the same original factory style rack as you can buy from Toyota, but it's made from the aftermarket company. So we want to review it for you guys. We'll have the links on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com, where we get our parts and all that stuff. We didn't get paid for that or anything like that. We purchased it with our own money. We just want to see if it's good quality, if it works good. It looks really well built. Okay, and you can see it shows you the arrows pointing forward when you install it. Seems to be pretty easy to install. You can even have you can see here, you can hook up your straps and stuff like that. Okay, and this is the second one, two of them of course, because we have one cargo box that we'll be using. You can see right there by the Fiesta we have it. Okay, this one there. So we'll install it and see what it feels like today. Yeah, okay, this is the second one, and you can see you have screws on the bottom, so there is some adjustment if you need to do something. Okay, and all we have to do, just get them loose, and we will go ahead and install them now. So you need to get it loose, okay, so you can turn the bottom piece freely, and that way, okay, we're going to go through here now, and we need to do the same thing on the other side as well, guys. Okay, you can see it's gonna go like that. Now we can get this piece in. Okay, then you need to flip this thing, and we need to position them exactly where they need to be. Yeah, you can find that in the manual, and we'll just get them tight. Alright guys, so actually what happened now, I want to show you. You will need to be adjusted because, okay, on this side I have about 1 finger gap right here. You can see it doesn't come all the way, but this is adjustable. Let us show you guys how to do that. That's why it's always good to make sure everything fits right, and that's what I like about those, that they're adjustable. So you can see those bolts, okay, right here, they're with an Allen wrench, okay, and if we get them loose we can slide that thing out, and they're not very tight, so it's always good to check that thing before you install them on the vehicle. Okay, we'll just go all the way and see if that's enough and get them tight now. Okay, let's give it a try now and see if it fits better. Okay, that's great, it's all the way now, fits really good. So just always make sure that they're extended the way they need to be. So we'll just get this one tight, install the other one, and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so that's what it looks like now, okay, with the cargo box on top and the roof racks, you can see. So pretty good deal, I think. They fit really good, really tight fit. You can get them really tight, so I'll definitely recommend them, even though they're not original Toyota parts, but I'll definitely recommend them. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.